Inside Detroit's grandest mega mansion. Welcome to the largest mega mansion in Detroit, a stunning architectural masterpiece. Today, we'll take you on an exclusive tour through its grandeur and opulence. As we approach the grand entrance, you're immediately struck by its majestic facade. The intricate details and towering columns hint at the luxury inside. Step inside the foyer, and you're greeted by soaring ceilings and a magnificent chandelier. The marble floors and elegant staircases set the stage for what's to come. The living room is a blend of comfort and sophistication, featuring plush seating and a grand fireplace. Perfect for both intimate gatherings and lavish parties. Next, we move to the gourmet kitchen, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances and a spacious island. This culinary haven is a chef's dream come true. The formal dining room can easily accommodate a large party, with its exquisite table and opulent decor. It's truly built for hosting unforgettable dinners. Let's head to the entertainment wing, which includes a private theater and a game room. Whether you prefer movies or games, this space offers endless fun. The master suite is a sanctuary of peace and luxury, complete with a private terrace, walk-in closets, and a spa-like bathroom. It's the epitome of relaxation. Each guest room is a suite, offering privacy and comfort. Lavish furnishings and ensuite bathrooms ensure every guest feels pampered. Outside, the landscaped gardens and infinity pool create a serene oasis. It's the perfect setting for outdoor gatherings or peaceful solitude. The mansion also features a state-of-the-art fitness center, allowing you to maintain your routine without leaving home. Wellness is only steps away. Finally, the garage is not just for cars. It's a showroom, capable of housing an impressive collection of vehicles. A car enthusiast's dream come true. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the largest mega mansion in Detroit. Its blend of luxury, comfort, and style is truly unmatched.